Hello, welcome back. GovDoc Breakdown, where, obviously, if you don't know yet, we don't tell you what to think. We just give you the facts of the case when it comes to government documents. And today we are wading into some new waters here because there is really no news yet for the executive, legislative, or judicial branches. So today we're going to hit you with April 22nd, HHS, FDA to phase out petroleum-based synthetic dyes in the nation's food supply. So this is from a release put out by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, announcing a series of new measures to phase out all petroleum-based synthetic dyes from the nation's food supply. So they are taking these following actions. They're going to establish a national standard and timeline for the food industry to transition from petrochemical-based dyes to natural alternatives. They are going to initiate the process to revoke citrus red number 2 and orange B within the next few months. So those are two of those dyes. They will also work with industries to eliminate the 6 remaining synthetic dyes. And we got here green 3, red 40, yellow 5, yellow 6, blue 1, and blue 2. And they're going to work with industries to phase those out by the end of next year. They will also be authorizing 4 new natural color additives in the coming weeks while accelerating the review and approval processes for those natural alternatives. They will also partner with National Institute of Health, NIH, to conduct comprehensive research on how food additives impact children's health and development, and they will be requesting food companies to remove Red 3 sooner than the deadline currently in place for 2027 to 2028. So yeah, we're getting rid of those petroleum-based synthetic dyes, and we're going to say opinion alert here. This is an opinion. I love this. I think everybody's going to love this. We should not be putting petroleum-based products in our food. That's all I'm going to say. Opinion alert, opinion alert. But yeah, this is awesome. So have a good one, guys.